Hello, my name is Oscar. I study at the Pan American University of Puerto in the Faculty of Education and Humanities School of Modern Languages. In today's video, I will go through this activity related to identifying if certain words are of endocentric or exocentric compounds. So we have a list of 10 words, and let's get to classify them correctly right away. First, we have blackboard, which is endocentric. Say compound. Butterfly is the second word. Butterfly is an exocentric compound. Turncoat is the third word, which also is an exocentric compound. Exocentric. What an exocentric compound means in very few words is that we don't, or one of its main defining traits is that we cannot know the meaning of the word just looking at the particles that make up the word. Turncoat has a meaning that is not related to coat or to turn. It's an expression, and you have to know the meaning of the words before so you can know. Turncoat is a word used to describe someone who is disloyal. So that's why it is an exocentric compound. Contrary to the case of word number 4, birdcage, which is endocentric compound. Because birdcage is a type of cage. So we can figure out the meaning by looking at the particles in the word. Same case as word number 5, screensaver, centric. Buttercup is another case of exocentric compound. Again, buttercup is a type of flower, and we cannot know that by looking at the word itself. There's nothing in the word that hints that we are talking about a flower. So it is an exocentric compound. Bookshelf, on the other hand, on the contrary, endocentric. A bookshelf is a kind of shelf. Therefore, it is an endocentric compound. Scarecrow is another case of exocentric compound. Toothache, endocentric. And finally, pigtail and endocentric. It's a type of tail. Okay, so let's go over all of them one more time. Blackboard is a type of board, endocentric compound. Butterfly, exocentric compound. Turncoat, exocentric compound. Birdcage, endocentric. Screensaver, endocentric again. Buttercup, exocentric compound. Bookshelf, endocentric compound. Scarecrow, exocentric compound. Toothache, endocentric compound, and finally pigtail, which is endocentric compound. Okay, so that'll be all for today's video. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye for now.